natural join operation. Next relational algebra operator is natural join. It is a modification of join, usually denoted as star. In some textbook, it is denoted in some other notations. So we can study this notation, that is star. Natural join was actually created to remove the second superfluous attribute in an equijoin relation. In a join relation, natural join. For applying natural join, the joining attribute should be in the same name. If not, we have to apply rename operation first. Let's have an example. The same example of student and department. The student has both student and department has a common attribute DPT. But in one case it is represented as DPT, in the other case it is represented as DID. So for applying a natural join, we need to rename the relation. That is the first necessary condition. The joining attribute name should be in the same, name should be same. Before we are going to apply, we can see what's the difference between join and natural join. When we apply join, I think everybody is remembering difference between Cartesian product and join. When in the previous case, when we apply the Cartesian product, we will get 12 tuples, right? And when we apply join, that 12 tuples can be trimmed to only 4 tuples. Then what all changes will happen when we apply natural join here? Here, this is the result of student join department. Here there are 4 tuples with 5 attributes, right? So S name, roll number, department, these 3 attributes from the student relation, the last 2 attributes, D name and DID from department relation. Actually, this department and DID represents the same attribute, right? This DID is a superfluous attribute. The second attribute, DID, it is unnecessary. So we can avoid this DID by applying natural join. For that, the first elementary condition is that we have to rename the relation. So for this, the department table is renamed with the attributes row of D name and DEPT. So the DID is renamed as DEPT in department. Then we apply the natural join relation. The student is natural joined with the department. So this is the result of the natural join. So we will get only 4 tuples with 4 attributes. What's the difference with the previous case? In the previous join case, we will get 5 attributes. Here we will get only 4 attributes. The second DID, second attribute of the department, DID is removed in this relation. That extraneous attribute, that unnecessary attribute is removed. So our question was find the name of the students who are studying in computer science student department. So for this, after applying natural join, we apply selection. Sigma department name equal to computer science. When we apply the selection, we will get only 2 tuples. Then after that, to find the name of the students, we apply projection by student name of the previous relation. Thank you. You can apply the natural join in all the cases where we apply Cartesian product or join. Thank you.